So that is a wrap on this project. I am so happy with the way it turned out. It's beautiful. I decided not to make a tutorial video for this project because there's already, roughly 1 billion tutorials out there about making a cutting board. But I still wanted to film it, but make a nice, artsy build video out of it, and hopefully you guys like it. Now, you probably noticed that I got to, for the first time, use a laser cutter for my project. I etched in my logo on the bottom here, and then on the top I put this nice anniversary message for the folks I built this for. It was so cool to see that done. I got to learn how to do some graphic design and work with vectors, and then take that over to the local makerspace, because I never thought I'd be able to do laser cutting and CNC work and stuff like that, because those machines are expensive. But I looked into it. I found out that there was a makerspace at the local college that has 3D printers, laser cutter, CNC, and all kinds of other cool maker stuff. So I went over there, and they were super cool about it and helped me get these things printed. And so I would encourage you, look, if you want to use laser cutters or some of that high-end equipment but you can't afford it, then see if you have a makerspace. Take advantage of that community resource, because it's a really cool thing to be able to learn something new and try a new way of making stuff. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so very much for watching all the way up to this point. Please like this video, comment, subscribe, do whatever YouTube things you do. And if you haven't already, please check me out on Instagram if you'd like to see more content and more projects that I don't film, but I post on there, and stuff I have for sale and whatever else. But thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you next time. Alright guys, well, that's a wrap for this video. I decided not to do a tutorial. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. Till next time. That was stupid.